Want to make your own soothing lavender oil right at home? With the Medicinal Garden Kit, you can grow fresh, organic lavender and other healing herbs right in your backyard or balcony. Check out the link in the description below to get your kit and start your herbal journey today. Lavender oil is known for its calming scent and amazing benefits. It helps ease stress, improve sleep, and support skin health. And the best part? You can easily make it at home. Here's how. First, gather your ingredients: fresh lavender flowers, a carrier oil like olive or coconut oil, and a clean glass jar with a lid. Start by gently washing and drying your lavender flowers. Then place them in the jar until it's about halfway full. Next, pour in your carrier oil until the flowers are completely covered, making sure there are no air bubbles. Seal the jar tightly and place it in a sunny spot for about 2 to 4 weeks, giving it a gentle shake every day to help release the lavender's natural oils. After a few weeks, strain the oil through a fine cloth or sieve into a clean bottle. And just like that, you've made your own natural lavender oil fresh, fragrant, and full of benefits. You can use it for relaxation, massage, skincare, or even in your bath for a calming experience. And remember, growing your own lavender is super easy with the Medicinal Garden Kit. It includes everything you need to grow your own medicinal herbs right at home. Get yours today. The link is in the description below.